checking subtraction through addition. Hello students, today we are going to study about checking subtraction through addition. Let us take a subtraction problem. Here it is. 847 minus 453 is equal to what? First, perform the subtraction. For this, arrange the numbers according to their place value and subtract column-wise. Like this. The result we get is 847 minus 453 is equal to 394. But how do you make sure that the result is correct or not? Look, there is a way to check your answer. Let's check it out. We obtained the difference as 394, which is the smaller number between these two numbers. Yes, it is 453. Now add the smaller number with the difference, like this. The sum obtained is 847. Now look the sum. It is same as the bigger of the two numbers we have given. Therefore, the result of the subtraction is correct. Thus, in order to check any subtraction is correct or not, add the difference obtained to the smaller number. If the sum obtained is equal to the bigger number, then your calculation is correct.